In this video, we will show you how to copy your waypoints and other user data to another chart plotter. Select User Data. Manage Data. Data Transfer. Save to Card. Add new file. Enter a file name and press Select. Eject the SD card. Insert it into the other chart plotter. Select Manage Card. Merge from card will combine the user data in the card with the ones in the chart plotter. Replace from card will replace the user data in the chart plotter with the ones in the card. Let's choose Merge from card. Select the file you just established. That's it. If you want to back up your user data, you can copy this file to your computer. Thank you for watching.